Count us in. Good morning, Steamboat Springs. My name is Eric Abelos, and this here is the Morningside String Band. As promised earlier, they are in here to play you some cool tunes. This is an original song, yeah?
Yes.
Sweet.
Yep.
So, they wrote it just for this section, this morning section, for you guys. No, I'm kidding, but so how long have you guys been around?
This particular band has been around as a side project since about 2015. Paul and I used to play in a lot of different bands. This particular trio is really this winter that we're out playing like this formation. So,
Okay.
at least this lineup's a little bit newer. Yeah.
Yeah, you guys play some fun songs, and actually they're going to play one for you right now. So take it away, guys. Yeah.
All right, it's a song called Ski Wax.
Ski Wax.
Ready, boys?
Wow, guys, that was awesome.
Thank you.
That was awesome, and you wrote that just for this. So, guys, where can we find you next? Where are you guys playing next?
We have some stuff coming up in February and March, right before Winter Wondergrass. We're going to be playing the 20th at the Brauhaus, a little unofficial thing. And then in March, we'll probably be at the Press and the Barley around town. We got a Facebook page that has all that good information on it. Just type in Morningside String Band.
Boom, there's your Facebook page right there. Got it pulled up for you. Awesome. You guys are awesome. Thank you so much for coming in the studio today. Guys, stick around. We have Kent up at 8:30 from Steamboat Powder Cats. And back to you, Kia.